Want to print embroidery-like designs without the cost and time of traditional embroidery? Let's do it with a DTF printer. Software operation. First, select all patterns in Photoshop. Create a new spot color channel in the Channels panel. Then save the file in TIFF format. Next, open the RIP software and load your design file. Click the file and choose the corresponding output profile. Click Send and save the file. Wait for the RIP process to complete. Open the file in Printer Manager and start printing. High-precision print heads jet the ink seamlessly, forming embroidery-like textures with fine detail. Efficient drying and curing of DTF film with excellent color reproduction. Now heat press the t-shirt to transfer the design. Watch as the DTF printer brings your embroidery-like design to life with rich detail. Durable prints with a crisp finish that enhance the texture of your apparel. Sublistar DTF printing makes embroidery-style designs simple and cost-effective.